See, hey, hold on. I want to see if you can go through both walls at once, like that.
Dude, no, probably not.
Swing right here.
I'll do it.
And
You do it, dude.
go through both walls.
My hands don't even bleed. Look at my hands.
Almost.
Go ahead, Ty.
Yeah. You gotta go higher, Ty. You gotta go higher.
Watch out for the posts.
Yeah, really? Post?
You did have those dog tags say wussy, right?
What?
Whoop.
What?
Whoop,
Wait,
whoop.
where's the post?
Yeah. Don't break your hand. Your mom will kill me.
Put your tongue on that power. See if it's still hot or not.
Oh my God! Like an idiot, he touches it. Jesus, you guys.